Hi guys and gals, this is George. Wait a second, no it isn't. It's Tiny Bob 89 just playing like he's George. So hi, he's up there on the roof. There he is. Can you see him, folks? You should give him a lot of likes because of the fact that he's wearing knee pads that are not conducive to working on this roof.
I just took the slippery caps off.
Oh, never mind.
So
he figured it out all on his own.
I'm not going to slide to the bottom.
I didn't think it necessarily was the sliding. It was more the fact that it caused extra pain. But anyways, folks, you get to see him right in action. And I still think he deserves a lot more likes, because how many of you at 76 years old are up on a roof screwing the stupid thing down? Not too many. See, I'm younger, so I'm a little more in your face about it. And the fact that my dad's up there doing it while I'm sitting on the ground, which makes me feel like a total moron. But anyways, just saying, folks.
But he promised to give me some likes on my video.
That's right. And I will guarantee some likes, because I will post it on my own social media. And I will blast that thing all day long, every which way I can. And I have a lot of social media for some reason. I guess I must be bored in life.
When I come down, I'll give him an inside tour. Well, there it is, fellers. All done. All across. That's the top side. Sorry for the shaky cam. Now I'm going to go down inside and I'll show you what it looks like from inside. Well, here we are on the inside and looking up through our new plastic ceiling. A whole ceiling of skylight. Yeah. Now to close in the walls and then start loading it up. Thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing, all them good things. And the comments made on this video are not necessarily those of the administration. Bye for now.